Cook it up. Cook it up, dog. Cook it up. Cook it up, dog. Cook it up. Cook it up. Cook it up.
Keep it rolling, Frank. Keep it rolling. What's the word? I'm just sitting here in the kitchen, and you're probably thinking, daggone, he's gonna do another Cooking with the Iron King. And I am, but I'm gonna mix in a little bit of that Hafeez Kennels. Play the Hafeez Kennels beat.
Iron King. The dog's at.
Yeah, I'm back.
With my dog.
Here, man. You guys are wondering why my dogs just look so much better than yours. Yeah, you gotta talk to God about that one, alright? You gotta talk to God. God, good genetics, a keen eye on knowing what to pick and put into what. And good dog food! I'm gonna show you guys how I feed my caninis. Dinner time, puppies! Keep it on me. First thing you gotta know is dogs have teeth, man. They got canine teeth. They got sharp teeth to eat stuff. And if there were no humans around and there were no kibbles and bits, guess what'll be on the menu? Squirrels, birds, fish, deer, pigs, hogs. They eat meat, man. When's the last time you seen a dog go up to an apple tree and pick an apple and say, this is great? When's the last time you seen a dog peel a banana? Ain't want no damn bread, corn, yeast. Ain't no wild dogs running through your corn stalk, eating up your popcorn. Yeah. No, they want some meat, man. And that's the problem. You guys want to just feed them good old grain food. It's not going to get it. You want to mix in a little grain filler, but you want to use the meat. This is what I do. I'm actually going to start selling Victor off my site. I'm going to get Victor dog food. You can get it from Chewy, and in another week or two, you can order off Hafeez Kennels. Best damn dog food, I think, on the planet. Tired of your dog shitting big old donkey turds all over your yard and paste looking like Frosties coming out their tutor? Give them some Victor. Ain't that right, Puma? Huh? Yeah, that's what she said. So, I really only feed my dogs once a day at night, and they look this damn good. Because just like you want to get fat, eat all your food at night and go to sleep. It's going to sit on you. If you can get some muscles, that's another YouTube channel. I give them one of these, a cup of that, for my puppies. 1 scoop. You can measure out yourself. I got 3 of them, so I'm giving 3 scoops. Boom. Then, I do something even more epic. A little bit of eggs, man. Raw egg yolk. I can do this every day or every other day. But guess what? The dogs love me. What do bodybuilders eat? Eggs. I know, I used to be one. I'm retired. I'm coming back in a minute. Gotta lose this belly. Keep going. So, get a little egg yolk. Right? Then, I like to give these hounds a little bit of ground beef. Get a little ground beef in there, huh? You see that? They like it. They smell it. They hear it coming. Ooh, get a little ground beef. A little even out. Boom, boom. Boom. Then, my good old friends at the harvest market, at the butchers, or anybody who just happens to have some meat scraps. Get a little meat scraps. Get a little meat scraps for your doggies. You can cut it up if you want. You can give it to them whole. Doesn't really matter. They're gonna do whatever they want to do with it. They want it. See it? They're loving it. They know it's coming. This is like eating at the Red Lobster for some of y'all. Look at that. Little straps here and there. I'm gonna load this up. The good thing about dogs too is, let's say you have some food you don't want to eat anymore. You just go in the refrigerator and you pull it out. Somebody decided to make some soup, some pea soup. Looks like somebody didn't want to eat it. I don't blame them. Give it to the dogs. Little peas. Little peas. They can have little veggies, you know. Little veggies for them. Then you give them little greens. Stay there, don't follow me. Give them little vegetables. You know what I'm gonna do? I got some old cabbage that I ain't been using. Go ahead and pull this off. Why? For the dogs, man. It's good for them. Tear up little pieces, well, you know. And we'll make it look pretty for them. It's all about the, what's it called? Presentation. I'm a chef. Dog chef. As well as human. Professional. Ain't that right, cameraman? Ain't that right, cameraman? Nod your head. Don't speak. Good answer. All right, so we're almost done. Look here, man. I'm giving you guys some tricks, some traps, some secrets. Now, normally I have some vitamins I give them. Bitch pills for the female, or Oxy Stud for the males. These are going to be good vitamins for them. You give any type of vitamin. I don't use Bully Max, but sometimes I might want to. You can if you need to. These dogs are going to be swole without it. But look at this. Come on in closer. Come on in. Zoom in on that. Wouldn't you want to eat this if you was a dog? Huh? Wouldn't you want to eat this? Look here. This is beautiful. Look at that. Ooh, scrappity scraps. They love them some scraps. All right, back up. Say that later. Now, secret ingredient. Water. Because guess what it's going to do? It's going to make that nasty ass hard food softer. So they can now get a little crunch. But then we're going to make all that little flavor come out. Going to be a little extra seasoning in there. It's going to be a little stewish. You dig? So, you just saw how to make gourmet meals for your canine. Look here. Your dog's gonna thank me. You don't have to. Cut the tape! Let's get out!